students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topics such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that, today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 maths, chapter 11 perimeter and area. Let's solve exercise 11.4. The first question is a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of path. Also find the area of garden in a hectare. So length is given 90 meter, breadth is given 75 meter. Area of garden equals to length into breadth, that is 90 into 75, that is 6750 meters square. Now the new length and breadth of a garden when path is included 100 meter and 85 respectively. So new area of garden is 100 into 85, that is 8500 meters square. Area of path equals to new area of garden including path minus area of garden, that is 8500 minus 6750, so 1750 meter square. For 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meters square, hence area of garden in hectare equals to 6750 upon 10,000, that is 0.675 hectare. Second, a 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of path. So length is given 125 meter, breadth is given 65 meter. Area of park equals to length into breadth, that is 125 into 65, that is 8125 meters square. New length and breadth of a park when path is included, so 131 meter and 71 meter respectively. So new area of park equals to 131 into 71, that is 9301 meter square. So area of path equals to 9301 minus 8125, that is 1176 meters square. Third, a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 7 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm long each of its side. Find the total area of the margin. So length is given 8 cm, breadth is given 5 cm. Area of cardboard equals to length into breadth, that is 8 into 5, that is 40 cm square. Hence, the length and the breadth of cardboard when margin is not included is 5 cm and 2 cm respectively. So new area of cardboard is 5 into 2, that is 10 cm square. So area of margin equals to 40 minus 10, that is 30 cm square. Fourth, a veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find length of room is given 5.5 meter, breadth is given 4 meter. Area of room equals to length into breadth, that is 5.5 into 4 equals to 22 meters square. New length and breadth of a room when veranda is included, that is 10 meter and 8.5 meter. So new area of room when veranda is included, that is 85 meters square. Area of veranda equals to area of room when veranda is included minus area of room. So 85 minus 22, that is 63 meters square. Second, cost we have to find. Cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 meter per meter square. So cost is given 200 per meter square. The cost of cementing the 63 centimeter square area, that is 200 into 63 is rupees 12,600. Fifth question, a path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 centimeter. Find the area of path. So side of square garden is 30 meter. Area of square garden equals to s square, that is 30 square, that is 900 meter square. New area of garden when the path is not included, that is 28 meter. So new area equals to 28 into 28, that is 784 meters square. Now the area of path equals to 900 minus 784, that is 116 meter square. Second, we have to find the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 per meter square. So we have to plant a grass in 784 meter square area. So 784 into 40, that is rupees 31,360 is the cost of planting the grass. Sixth question, two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angle through the center of the rectangular park of the length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its side. Find the area of roads. Also find the area of park excluding crossroads. Give the answers in hectares. So length of the park is given 700, breadth is given 300. Area of park equals to length into breadth, that is 700 into 300, that is 2,10,000 meters square. Okay, now let us assume that ABCD is the one crossroad and EFGH is another crossroad in the park. So length of ABCD crossroad is 700, length of EFGH crossroad is 300 meter. Both crossroad have the same width, that is 10 meter. Hence the area equals to length into breadth, that is 700 into 10, that is 7,000 meters square. Next, area of EFGH square road equals to length into breadth, that is 300 into 10, that is 3,000 meters square. Area of IGKL at center equals to length into breadth, that is 10 into 10, that is 100 meters square. So area of roads equals to area of ABCD plus area of EFGH minus area of IJKL. 7,000 plus 3,000 minus 300, that is 10,000 minus 300, sorry, 10,000 minus 100, that is 9,900 meters square. 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meters square. So area of roads in hectare equals to 9,900 upon 10,000, that is 0.99 hectare. Finally, the area of park excluding roads equals to area of park minus area of roads. So 2,10,000 minus 9,900, so 2,100 meters square. In hectare we can say 20.01 meter, 01 hectare. Seventh question, through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles through center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, find the area covered by the roads. So length is given 90 meter, breadth is given 60 meter. Area of field equals to length into breadth, that is 90 into 60, that is 5,400 meters square. Now let us assume ABCD is the one crossroad and EFGH is another crossroad. So length of ABCD is 90 and length of EFGH is 60. So both crossroads have the same width, that is 3 meter. So area of ABCD is 90 into 3, that is 270 meters square. Area of EFGH crossroad, that is 60 into 3, that is 180 meters square. Area of IGKL at center equals to 3 into 3, that is 9 meters square. So area of road equals to area of ABCD plus area of EFGH minus area of IJKL, that is 270 plus 180 minus 9. So 450 minus 9, that is 441 meter square. Second, we have to find the cost of constructing the road at the rate of 110 per meter. So we have to construct 441 meter square roads. So 441 into 110, that is rupees 48,510 rupees. 8th question. Prayag wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? Pi equals to 3.14. So radius of a circular pipe is given 4 cm. Side is of a square is given 4 cm. Parameter of circular pipe equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into 4, that is 25.12 centimeter. Parameter of square equals to 4 into side of the square, that is 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. So the left of the chord, length of the chord left with Pragya, it is 25.12 minus 16, that is 9.12 centimeter. So 9.12 centimeter chord is left. Question 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. The area of the whole land. So length is given 10, breadth is 5. So area of rectangular lawn equals to length into breadth. So 10 into 5, that is 50 meters square. Second, we have to find the area of flower bed. So radius is given 2 meter. Area of the flower bed equals to pi r square, that is 3.14 into 2 square. So 3.14 into 4, that is 12.56 meters square. The area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. So area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed equals to area of rectangular lawn minus area of flower bed. So 50 minus 12.56, that is 37.44 meters square. Next, the circumference of a flower bed. Circumference of a flower bed equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 2, that is 12.56 meter. 10th question. In the following figures, find the area of shaded portion. To find the area of EFDC, first we have to find the area of triangle ABC, AEF, triangle EBC, and rectangle ABCD. So area of triangle AEF equals to half into base into height. So half into 6 into 10. We can cut 2 and 6. So 1 into 3 into 10, that is 30 centimeters square. Area of triangle EBC, that is half into 8 into 10. We can cut 2 and 8. So half 1 into 4 into 10, that is 40 centimeter. Area of rectangle equals to ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD equals to length into breadth. So 18 into 10, that is 180 centimeters square. So area of EFDC equals to area of triangle ABCD minus bracket triangle AEF plus triangle EBC, that is 180 minus 30 plus 70. 180 minus 70, that is 110 centimeters square. Second, to find the area of triangle QTC, first we have to find the area of triangle STU, triangle TPQ, triangle QRU, and square PQRS. So area of triangle STU, that is half into base into height, that is half into 10 into 10. So 2 and 10 cut, so 1 into 5 into 10, that is 50 centimeters square. Area of triangle TPQ, that is half into base into height, so half into 10 into 2. So 2 and 10 can cut, so 1 into 5 into 20, that is 100 centimeters square. Area of triangle QRU, that is half into base into height, that is 2 and 10 can cut, so 1 into 5 into 20, that is 100 centimeters square. Area of square PQRS equals to side square, so 20 into 20, that is 400 centimeters square. So area of triangle QTCU equals to PQRS area minus triangle STU plus triangle TPQ plus triangle QRU. So 400 minus bracket 50 plus 100 plus 100, that is 400 minus 250, that is 150 centimeters square. 11th question, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC equals to 22 centimeter, BM 3, DN 3 and BM perpendicular to AC and DN perpendicular to AC. Okay, so triangle ADC, area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height, that is half into 22 into 3. We can cut 2 and 22, so 1 into 11 into 3, that is 33 centimeter square. Triangle ADC, that is half into base into height, so half into 22 into 3, so we can cut 2 and 22, so it is 1 into 11 into 3, that is 33 centimeter square. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So 33 plus 33, that is 66 centimeter square. So this was exercise 11.4 of chapter 11 class 7. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.